Happy Black Color Day in Ladybird School, Class KG.
Happy Black Color Day.
Hello, Saim.
Happy Black Color Day.
Happy Black Color Day. Very good. Very good.
Very cool.
Hello, Ishal.
Happy Black Color Day.
Wow, nice. You're looking beautiful. Hello, Yan.
Happy Black Color Day.
Happy Black Color Day. Ayan, looking awesome.
Happy Black Color Day.
Hello, Fatma. Wow, Fatma. Beautiful dress. Hello, Ibrahim.
Hello.
Happy Black Color Day.
Happy Black Color Day.
Very good. Next. Hello, Ibrahim.
Happy Color Day.
Beautiful. Happy Black Color Day. Hello, Vishal. Happy Black Color Day. Beautiful frock. Hello, Abdurrahman.
Happy Black Color Day. Happy Black Color Day.
Hello, Abdurrahman.
Happy Black Color Day.
Happy Black Color Day. Wow. Nice cap. Say bye-bye.